You ever catch yourself scrolling through Instagram for hours, jumping from one post to another, thinking, man, where did the time go? Now, what if I told you that while you're scrolling, someone else is making money off the exact same content you're consuming? No products, no personal brand, no fancy camera, just a smart system that works behind the scenes, bringing in cash 24/7. Feels unfair, right? But here's the thing. The only difference between them and you is knowledge. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to hand you that knowledge on a silver platter. Because if you don't start now, someone else will. So are you in, or are you just going to keep making money for others while you scroll? These Instagram pages are pulling in thousands of dollars every single month, without showing a face, without posting selfies, and without anyone knowing who's behind them. Sounds unreal, right? But it's happening every day. While most people are just scrolling, liking, and wasting time, others are turning simple theme pages into cash machines. And here's the kicker. You don't need to be famous, you don't need fancy content, and you don't need a single viral video. If you're tired of watching others make money online while you sit on the sidelines, pay close attention, because I'm about to break down exactly how you can do this too. Why Instagram theme pages? Let me put it this way. Have you ever shared a viral post with a friend? Maybe a travel reel, a fitness hack, or a luxury car edit? Now here's what no one tells you. Those posts aren't just for fun. They're making someone, somewhere, serious money. And the craziest part? That someone doesn't even have to show their face or be an expert. They just know how to pick the right niche, post the right content, and turn engagement into income. Meanwhile, most people just keep scrolling, completely unaware of the business happening behind the scenes. But not you. Because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn your Instagram feed into a cash flow machine, without needing followers, a product, or even a single viral video to start. Let me tell you something that might sting a little. Every time you scroll past a motivational quote, a luxury car reel, or a funny meme, someone is making money off of your attention. And no, it's not some influencer with millions of followers, it's regular people who figured out a system. Look at Griffon, a page that started by posting business and success quotes. No face, no personal brand, just smart content. Today, they make over $1,000 a month from sponsorships and selling digital products. Or take Toes and Trip. What started as a simple travel page now earns 4 figures a year just from paid promotions. Now, let's be real for a second. Have you ever caught yourself thinking, man, I wish I had an online income, but I don't want to be on camera or sell some weird product? If that's you, then you're staring at one of the easiest ways to start making money online. And you probably didn't even know it. The only difference between you and the people running these pages? They started. They didn't sit around overthinking, waiting for the perfect moment. They just took action. And right now, while you're watching this, someone else is launching their first theme page, growing their audience, and turning Instagram into their personal cash machine. So let me ask you, are you just going to keep scrolling and making money for others? Or is it finally time to flip the script and make Instagram work for you? Because the longer you wait, the more opportunities you let slip away. All right, let me hit you with something nobody else is telling you. Everyone is out here talking about theme pages and how to make money, but they all say the same thing. Pick a niche, post consistently, and monetize. That's surface-level stuff. If making money was that simple, why isn't everyone doing it? Because what actually separates the pages pulling in 10K plus per month from the ones struggling with 500 likes and $0 is something completely different. And here's the secret no one is talking about. It's not just about what you post, it's about how you position it. You see, Instagram theme pages aren't just content hubs, they're psychology-driven money machines. The biggest pages don't just post viral content. They design their content to do one thing: create an irresistible buying mindset in their audience. That's where my exclusive formula comes in, the viral profit loop. This isn't just about growing a page, it's about turning followers into money on autopilot. And if you don't use this, you're leaving thousands on the table. Step 1. The viral hook engine. Stop posting random viral videos and hoping for engagement. Winning pages reverse engineer content based on psychological triggers. Curiosity, controversy, aspiration. These emotions make posts impossible to ignore. If you don't tap into this, you're just throwing content into the void. Step 2. The engagement hacking method. Here's the ugly truth. Instagram won't push your content unless people engage with it fast. But here's what smart pages do. They precede engagement, use comment triggers, and leverage hidden Instagram signals to trick the algorithm into thinking their content is the hottest thing on the platform. More engagement equals more reach equals more money. Step 3. The hidden monetization layer. Most theme pages fail because they only monetize with shoutouts or affiliate links. That's outdated. The real money comes when you turn followers into customers. The top pages never just post and hope for sales. They create a system where people can't help but buy, whether it's digital products, community access, or premium content subscriptions. Now here's the part that should wake you up. This isn't a trend, it's a takeover. The Instagram game is shifting fast. And if you're still following the same basic strategies everyone else is teaching, you'll be left behind. The people who move now will be the ones dominating this space in the next 6 months. The rest, they'll still be scrolling, watching others make money, and wondering why they never took action. So what's it going to be? Are you ready to stop being just another viewer and start building a page that prints money while you sleep? Because if you don't, someone else will, and they'll be using this exact method to do it. Let's break into the real gold mine. 3 untapped and insanely profitable ways to make money from Instagram theme pages that almost nobody is using. Forget the old, recycled sell shoutout strategy. These are high-leverage moves that can turn even a small page into a serious income stream. And here's the kicker. 99% of theme page owners don't even know these exist. Which means if you take action right now, you'll be miles ahead while others are stuck making pennies with outdated methods. 1. The private buyer funnel. Sell access, not just content. Most theme pages waste their audience by posting random content and hoping for engagement. Smart theme pages? They build an exclusive community behind the scenes. Here's how. Instead of just growing a page, funnel your audience into a private group, Telegram, Discord, or WhatsApp. Offer premium, insider-only content, trending insights, investment tips, viral strategies, or a niche-specific playbook. Charge a small monthly fee, $10 to $50 for access. Sound simple? It is, and yet, there are pages with just 5,000 followers making $3,000 plus per month doing exactly this. Because here's the secret. People don't just follow pages, they crave community. Give them exclusivity, and they'll gladly pay to be part of it. The content licensing flip, sell your posts as a service. This is a total game changer. Big brands and businesses are desperate for high-quality viral content, but they don't know how to create it. You do. Here's what to do. Start creating scroll-stopping, viral-style posts, carousels, quotes, meme templates designed for engagement. Package them as a viral content kit and sell them to small businesses, influencers, and personal brands who need content but don't have the time or creativity to make it. Charge $100 to $500 per package for done-for-you content they can post instantly. Think about it. If just 5 businesses buy your content packs per month at $300 each, that's $1,500 for content you were already making anyway. And you never have to chase brand deals or worry about Instagram's algorithm again. 3. The digital asset machine. Monetize attention without selling anything. Here's the most passive way to make money with a theme page. Turn your followers into traffic and sell that traffic. This works like magic. Instead of promoting random brands, build a simple one-page website related to your niche, using free tools like Card or Linktree. Fill it with high-paying affiliate offers, free downloads, or CPA, cost per action deals where companies pay you just for getting clicks or signups. Drop your custom link in your bio, stories, and comments. Every time someone clicks, you make money without even selling anything. There are small theme pages using this method to make $50 to $200 per day just from bio links alone. And the best part? Once it's set up, it runs itself. Now let me ask you this. How many people do you think are using these strategies? Almost nobody, because they're too busy following the same shout-out and ads method that's getting weaker by the day. But you? you now have an unfair advantage. If you act on these 3 methods today, your Instagram theme page won't just be another content page. It'll be a high-value money machine that works for you 24/7. So are you just going to keep scrolling? Or are you going to be the one cashing in while others keep watching? The opportunity is right in front of you. What you do next is up to you. Here's the reality. Instagram theme pages aren't just for fun anymore. They're money machines waiting for the right person to step in and take advantage. The only difference between those making thousands per month and those still struggling? Action. Right now, you have 3 untapped high-profit strategies in your hands. You can either use them today and start building a page that pays you, or you can ignore this, keep scrolling, and watch others cash in while you stay stuck. But let's be real. You didn't come this far just to sit back and do nothing. You're here because you're ready to break into this game and win. So, here's what to do next. Step 1. Drop a comment below if you're serious about starting. Let's see who's really ready. Step 2. Take the first step today. Pick one of the strategies I shared and start testing it. Step 3. If you want a step-by-step breakdown of how to execute this the right way, DM me Instagram money, and I'll send you an exclusive guide to help you shortcut your way to profits. This opportunity won't be around forever. You either take it now or wish you had 6 months from today. The choice is yours. So are you ready? Let's make this happen.